I finally finished my spaceship. Alright, Squishy Jr., let's go. Squishy Jr., come on. Blast off in 3, 2, 1. The pumpkin pie is gone. The power of pumpkin pie. We crash landed somewhere. Where is this mysterious island? Where's this mysterious world?
Hello, what's your name?
Hi, I'm Squishy Cat. What's your name?
I'm Diamond Head.
Nice to meet you, Diamond Head.
Do you want to know where you are?
Yeah, where am I?
You're on Planet X.
Planet X? I've never heard of that before.
Hey, Heat Blast. There's someone new coming. That's here. Wait, who is it? You? Who are you?
I'm Squishy.
Ah. Cool dog. Nice little thing. Cute. And then he looked. Cute. And then he looked. And he saw that he was looking up the duck's butt. Oh! Ow.
Wait, is there any place we can stay? And then Heatblast was like, you can stay in my place.
You can stay in my place?
No, Heatblast. He came back.
You can stay in my place.
Oh, thank you. Shake his hand. You gotta shake his hand. Like this. Shake. Come on. I have a friend who's coming to rescue me in a while, but I think he'll be in there next episode. But come on, we gotta go. Where is your place? Where's your place?
First, can you tell us whatever this is to get off me?
It's a duck, and I'm a duck too. Come on, Squishy Jr.
Want a lift?
Sure.
I can fly.
Ooh, how do you make us fly? Where's his place?
Yeah.
Where does he live?
Now, here we are.
I gotta move these things.
Welcome to my house.
It's really empty.
And there was a bunch of fire all over the place.
Ah! Make that stop! Make that stop!
Fire?
It could burn me. I live. I'm a living creature.
I thought you liked fire.
Well, to keep me warm, but not to burn all my feathers out. Shoo.
Oh, I'm flying all the way into space.
And he's like, do you want to go somewhere tonight?
Do you want to go somewhere tonight?
Sure. Why not? We can go like this. Locals, I guess. And then at the restaurant, whatever it is, Gray Matter was the waiter.
Hey, let's go to Gray Matter's Chicken Wicken.
Chicken? I am vegan. Well, I eat pumpkin pie, but I only eat pumpkin pie I don't eat chicken.
Then
I don't need any birds. Because I'm a bird.
Then let's go to Gray Matter's Pumpkin Pie Tunkin
What?
buffet.
Okay. Is Squishy Jr. okay? Is it okay to leave Squishy Jr. alone with this fire? Meh, 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 meh. I'll take that as a yes. Come on. Let's get
Oh no! Sorry guys, it just fell. Squishy Jr. is so strong.
Come on, let's go. Squishy Jr., no! You could get burnt. He made a fire.
I can fly you two there.
Okay.
Just hold on to my non-hot side.
Wait, no, Squishy, not Squishy Jr., but... Hold on. Nah. Hold on to it. Look. Look at this. They're flying. Whee!
Get in the camera angle.
Whee! Sorry. Yay, we're here. Let's put down.
Hello. Would you like to order some pumpkin pie? Okay, which type?
Just regular pumpkin pie with whipped cream.
Oh, regular pumpkin pie. Coming right up. A giant.
No. A giant pumpkin pie. No.
In the shape of a species.
No. Stop it. Oh, this. Are you ever using this? No.
Oh, I need that. I think.
What about this one? This? Are you using this?
Perfect.
No. Are you using this?
No.
Alright, I need it. I'm gonna tear off a piece. There we go.
Okay, the chefs are ready for your pumpkin pie.
Here's your pumpkin pie. Yeah. No. The stand is stupid. I don't want it.
How can I stand? There we go.
Oh, you got it. Really. Is it?
And you make Squishy eats like everywhere, having face first in the pumpkin pie.
No.
That'd be funny.
It's a little hard to eat without table. Ow.
Oh my gosh. How did your arm flew off? Let me do it. That was delicious. Wanna go back to my place?
Sure. Squishy Jr., how'd you get out here? Squishy Jr. also loves pumpkin pie. Come on, Squishy Jr. Squishy Jr. Alright, let's go.
Squishy Jr. ate all the pie. Squishy Jr. is big enough. Squishy Jr. is big enough.
And it is like romantic music. Just pretend there's romantic music. Because we don't have romantic music. So just pretend it in your brain. Wow. Oh my gosh. I just remembered. I have a boyfriend.
Other than me.
You're not my boyfriend. He's coming tomorrow. Oh my gosh, he's gonna hate me. god! Oh my god! Oh my god! And then Stampy came. And then Stampy came.
I got it. Oh my gosh, I didn't know that she had a boyfriend. This is weird. This is really awkward. Comment down below if you know what I should do. Is everything okay here?
Stampy! What? You brought an ocelot with you.
Come on, Mittens, let's come out.
You bought Stampy Jr.
It's Mittens. Okay, I guess we
Oh.
can call him Stampy Jr. Well, it's my kid. Just in case you didn't know, I got married and now I have a kid. And
No, you
that's my
didn't.
kid.
No, you didn't.
I did. You missed the wedding.
No.
But actually, you didn't miss the wedding because I married you.
Oh, yeah. Okay. Come on, let's go.
Yeah, and
This is Squishy Jr. Also, what auto?
the other one. That's the other kid.
Alright. Mwah. Kisses. 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 Kids, stop fighting. Yeah, stop fighting. Come on, let's go. Come on, Stampy Jr. and Squishy Jr.
Let's hop in my rocket.
This is our rocket. Remember, my crash landed you. But you, like, took your rocket. I don't even know.
Yeah, and I used my rocket, which was powered by cake. Whee!
Like this. Back under.
Here we are finally back on Earth.
That took a long ride. Oh my gosh! Stampy Jr.'s tail fell off. Okay. Yep. Okay.
Okay,
That's the end of the video. Bye. Bye.
No, not yet. Not
think it
yet.
just turned
First, we have to review everything. And it's not turned on. First, we have to review everything.
Hopefully everything was okay.